Anton here, Life of Anton, and today we're going to do an unboxing of a Google Nexus 7. So let's pop this open. Nice pretty white box. And this is the 2013 model made by Asus. Got this beautiful little Nexus 7. Let's see what else is inside of the box. Okay. Your basic instruction manual. A warning, commit things to safety, something I don't understand. Basic USB to small HDMI, the plug-in. Anything else in there? Rip that all the way apart. The answer is no. Okay, well, let's go over to the Nexus. A nice little piece of plastic. Come on, baby. Get it the rest of the way open. Ooh, that is a nice little tablet. And so my basic thing that I'm going to be using this for is just going to be reading and then a little bit of surfing. So, looks like we have a volume rocker here on the side. We've got a 3.5mm jack on the top. The micro USB on the bottom. There must be the rear-facing camera. Speaker. We've got speakers on the bottom too. Just a nice, I mean, look at that. It sits very nicely right there just in the palm of my hand. Not quite too big. Let's turn it on. Holding. See the magic Google. The little X. You know what's really funny, because I did play with the other Nexus, the cover to the back of this is not as nice. You know what's funny about the Nexus 7 too, is all of a sudden we're seeming to be very much like Apple. Like, why don't we name it the exact same thing over again? Ooh. Connecting to Wi-Fi network. Tablet is connected. Tablet needs to download and update. Okay, it works for me. Anyway, this is now updating to Android 4.3. Okay. Android is still updating. Looks like Android is finished updating. Google. The little X is coming back. The X is finally finished loading. Yep, we speak English. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Tablet is connecting to Wi-Fi. Got Google? Yeah. Do you agree with all of the privacy policy crap? Yep. Signing in, this can take a few minutes. Yes. Agree to a bunch more crap. Yeah, sure, why not? You can follow me around whenever you want. This tablet belongs to the basic Android home screen that we've definitely gotten used to. That is a quick look at the 2013 Nexus 7 by Asus. As always, thumbs up are appreciated, comments and questions below, and subscribe above.